안녕하세요. 하나하나 한글입니다. Today, we're going to learn the second phonology rule, which is also very, very important, linking phoneme rules. So there are three different cases in linking phonemes. Let's start with the first case. I'll give you some linking phoneme examples. Please pause the video, try to find the pattern. Have you found the pattern? So, this pachims, this final consonants, where does it move? These final consonants move to the second syllable, isn't it? Why? Because the second syllable starts with the empty consonant. These circles don't have any sound value. So, when pronouncing series of syllables, we're talking about two or more syllables, not the monosyllables. When the previous syllable has the final consonant, which is pachim, and the following syllable begins with circle, which means empty sound value. Then, in this case, the final consonant of the previous syllable moves to the following syllable and occupy the first consonant place. It sounds very complicated if we read this. However, it's a very, very simple rule, isn't it? This kind of rule exists in every single language. So, for example, we shouldn't read 책이. We should read 책이, okay? Linking phoneme. Let's study with vocabulary. We shouldn't read 언어. We should read 언어. 언어, language. We shouldn't read 죽음. We should read 죽음. 죽음, death. You shouldn't read 불안 separately. It's supposed to be 불안, 불안, anxiety. 단어, 단어, words, word or vocabulary. 학원, 학원, private academy. 직업, 직업, job. 석유, 석유, oil, gasoline. 높이, 높이, height. 높이 means the height of buildings or objects. What about people's height? We call it 키, 키, different words. 길이, 길이, length. 믿음, 믿음, faith, trust. 물음, 물음, asking, question. 웃음, 웃음, laugh. So 웃음 is laugh. Smile is 미소, 미소. 얼음, 얼음, ice. Make sure you practice enough. 자, second case of linking phoneme. I'll show you the two sets of examples first. Please pause the video and find the pattern. Have you found the pattern? If so, I'll show you another set of examples. Please find the pattern and generalize it. Oh, what was it? When pronouncing series of syllables, when the voiced phonemes meet consonant. When the voiced phoneme, what are the voiced phoneme? G, D, B, J. When they meet, these phonemes become aspirated, as in k, t, p, ch. So, for example, 조, 지, 요 becomes 조, 치, 요. This sound meets j and it becomes aspirated. 조, 치, 요. Next one, 어떠게. We should read it 어떠게. Why? This second 받침 here sound meets next consonant g and it becomes aspirated to k. Next one, 급히, and then it becomes 급히. Why? The 받침 here, b sound meets h, so it becomes aspirated. So it becomes 급히. Done? Very good. Okay, let's practice with vocabulary. Make sure you read it first, and then I'll read it for you. You shouldn't read 특히. You should read 특히. 특히. Okay? 특히. Particularly, especially. You shouldn't read 역할. Too difficult, isn't it? So linking phoneme. It goes 역할. 역할. Role. Roles. 축하. 축하. Celebration. 국화. 국화. Chrysanthemum. 국회. 국회. Parliament. This is Korean parliament. 육회. 육회. It's a beef sashimi. I love this. Have you tried it before? Beef sashimi. 직후. 직후. Right after. Right after. This is quite difficult one. There are two linking phonemes here. 졸업하다. Again, 졸업하다. So here linking phoneme, it goes 졸업. And then here linking phoneme, 어파. So 졸업하다. It becomes to graduate. 좋다. 좋다. Good. 커다랗다. 커다랗다. Huge. 내놓다. 내놓다. To carry out. Okay. The final case of linking phoneme. This is a very easy. So, again, when pronouncing the series of syllables, when the nasal phonemes, for example, n, m, l, ng, when they meet a circle, which is empty sound value, or sound. In this case, all of the phonemes stay intact, no change. So for example, 결혼, it becomes 결혼, 결혼. 영하, 영하. 전화, 전화. Okay, no change. Very easy. 자, vocabulary. 영하, 영하. Below zero. 결혼, 결혼. Wedding, marriage. 나란히, 나란히. In parallel. 평화, 평화. Peace. 불행, 불행. Unhappiness. 영혼, 영혼. Spirit, ghost. 전화, 전화. Phone. 열흘, 열흘. It's 10 days as in duration. Make sure you practice the second phonology rule, linking phoneme, so that you can read as natural as natives. Okay? Thank you very much.